Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook yogurt chicken. First, combine about 1 cup of plain, full-fat yogurt with 2 cloves of minced garlic and a 1-inch piece of grated ginger. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Whisk these ingredients together in a large bowl until smooth, ensuring all the spices are fully incorporated. This creates a deeply flavorful base for your chicken. Next, prepare your chicken by cutting it into 1.5-inch pieces if you are using boneless, skinless thighs or breasts. Submerge the chicken thoroughly in your prepared yogurt marinade, ensuring every piece is well coated. Cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator. Marinating for at least 2 hours, or even up to 12 hours, dramatically enhances the tenderness and depth of flavor. Now it is time to cook your marinated chicken to perfection. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully add the chicken pieces in a single layer, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Cook for about 6 to 8 minutes per side, turning occasionally, until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit and develops a beautiful golden brown crust. To further elevate your yogurt chicken, consider adding some fresh elements. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice just before serving brightens all the flavors beautifully. You can also stir in some fresh spinach or chopped bell peppers during the last 3 minutes of cooking for added color and nutrients. This versatile dish pairs wonderfully with fluffy basmati rice, warm naan bread, or a simple side salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.